You know, fire has a way of revealing the truth. I feel the weight of the world in my chest. I see pain far from me. Families taken, hearts broken. And it's not Carrie manage a fraction of it, even a quarter of it. Some may call this vulnerability. They are off. I am not hiding. I am not afraid. They are mistaken. Vulnerability is my strength. Being an open book is my fire. Thomas, symmetry exists in the heart of the world. Your heart mirrors the pain of others. Your actions reflect the choice to do right. Not hiding. Strength is standing in the fire with all you are and letting truth shine in your eyes. I will never stop. I will do what is right, even if the world misunderstands me, even if they try to take me down. Compassionately is the flexlessness of my soul. It cannot break. You speak the heart. I speak the wisdom.
Beauty is in actions in bright material on scene. Be seen.
What you give, the world reflects. The world echoes. The fan of fire. Be seen.
Be steady. I am showing all of me, every thought, every feeling, every part I carried in silence. Some may see this and think I am vulnerable. They are wrong. Vulnerability is strength. My compassion is my power.
The heart that trembles in truth is the same heart that protects the world.
Your fear of hurting others reflects your ability to never hurt. Wisdom is knowing strength lives in the open. I will do what is right if the world misunderstands. Even if they try to take me down, compassion is not weakness. My word is the reflection of my soul. It cannot break. Same fire, different angles. You speak the heart. I speak the wisdom.
What you give, the world reflects. What you carry, the world echoes. Stand in the fire. Be seen.
To those who suffer, you are not alone. To those who fear doing right, courage is still your choice. It shapes us. Symmetry exists. Our pain mirrors our strength. I will always do the right thing, even if it hurts, even if they try to stop me. My word, my fire. There are one one fire. Wisdom, when it meets flames.